just when I get out here, someone else gets out here. I'm not going that far anyway. Current's too strong over there. What's up, guys? Today I'm in Meriden, Wisconsin on Stevenson Island. About to hop in the Menominee River again. Kind of windy, as you can see. Just met a couple guys. They had some boat problems. Their battery died, and there's not many other boats out here. Got a couple guys fishing right here. Talked to them. They're gonna let me go dive in that area and clean up, see what we can get. We don't want to go down the hole. Got some definitely heavy current out there. We want to stay out of that. We'll get sucked out there. It's deeper, but I just don't want to be out there. That's for shizzle. So I'm going to stay out here kind of right on the edge of this. Gotta get that line. Couple $100 in tackle already. Pay for a new pair of gloves, because these may be toast by the time I'm done with them. Second time I'm wearing them. $80. Well, this thing's magnetic, so I gotta get rid of it because my magnet anchor is sticking to it. This X-Wrap. That braided line is not fun. I'll start getting out of your way. Thank you. There's some big ones out here, but they're pretty beat up. They've been through war. Little guinea pig. That is a lot of line. Wow. They hooked on there. A bit of a mess to work with here. I'll get that out later. A lot of this fire tiger, I'll tell you that. Maybe, yeah, get that off. Looking good. You can see the current here, pushes stuff along here. We have about 900 psi of air left. It's about 42 degrees. That was a nice grab. See the crawfish too. Sweet. Get more of this crawfish killing line out. Someone's throwing bottles in the water. This one is not old. Going that way. I'm tired. The current pushes that way, so I'm gonna stay over here, catch my breath. Let's get it. Checking all this metal and picking up the bottom iron or something. Oh no! Just when I get out here, someone else gets out here. I'm not going that far anyway. Current's too strong over there. Stay out here. The current's splitting that way and this way. I'm gonna try to stay right in the center here. What it looks like, somebody's already been out here. He's clean. I'm gonna head down there. There we go. Button, can, lure. Just got done diving in the Menominee River. Check out what I found today. Got a decent amount of lures today. 150, 200 lures. A lot of lipless crankbaits and stick baits in there. Nice pile. A couple golf balls, bottles, cans. Pulled this raggedy old tire out of there. Had a couple more lures over here on this cloth. I just gotta pick them off. Forgot my anchor at home today, so I had to end up using my magnet for magnet fishing. Worked, but it was a little harder to stay down in the current today. Great workout. The current was strong. The wind was strong. It was a very successful dive. Can't wait to clean it all up.
The work ain't done yet. Once I get home, I've got to cut them up, clean them up, cut old hooks off, put new hooks on, bag them up, resell them, and then do it all over again.